Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how you can use Wise as your bank account in 2025 and explain how it works. There's a link in the description to sign up for Wise for free. If you use that link, you might also get a special offer for a free money transfer. Wise isn't a traditional bank, but it works like a digital multi-currency account. You can send, receive, hold, and convert money in different currencies. It also gives you local bank details in several countries. This is helpful if you travel often, work remotely, or run a global business. To start using Wise like a bank account, sign up through the link in the description. You can sign up with your email or log in using your Google, Apple, or Facebook account. After signing up, Wise will ask if you want a personal or business account. Choose personal if it's just for you, or business if it's for a company or freelance work. Next, select your country of residence and complete the identity verification. Make sure your name matches your government-issued ID. You'll need to upload a photo of your ID and may also be asked to take a selfie. Once your account is verified, you can open balances in different currencies. From the home screen, tap Open a Balance and pick from over 50 currencies. For example, if you choose US dollars, you'll get local US bank details like routing and account numbers. These can be used to receive payments just like a regular US bank account. You can also request a Wise debit card. It's a MasterCard you can use to spend your money in stores, online, or withdraw cash from ATMs worldwide. To add money to your Wise account, go to a balance and tap Add. You can top up using a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Once your funds are added, you can use them to send money, make payments, or just hold them. If you want to transfer money out of Wise to another bank, tap Send, enter the amount and your bank details. Wise supports transfers to banks in many countries, usually with lower fees than traditional banks. To link your own bank account, go to Settings, then Connected Accounts. Select your country and choose how to connect. You can either log into your bank through Wise for instant verification or enter your account and routing numbers manually. Wise will send a small deposit and you'll confirm the exact amount to complete the setup. Once your bank is connected, you can move money easily between accounts. For example, to pay yourself, tap Send, enter the amount, and select your linked account. Wise will show you the fee and exchange rate before you confirm the transaction. You can also receive payments from clients, employers, or platforms using your Wise account details. If you have a USD balance, they can send money to your US bank details and it'll arrive directly in your Wise account. For record keeping or taxes, Wise gives you account statements and export options. You can find these under the Activity or Account sections. So even though Wise isn't a full bank, it can function like one. You get local bank details in multiple countries, a debit card, low-cost transfers, and the ability to hold and convert currencies. This makes Wise a great option if you need flexible access to money internationally. To get started, use the link in the description to sign up for free. And by using that link, you may also get a free money transfer as a bonus.